Hello plant lovers. So most of them ask me, Sujat, which are the fruiting plants you can grow on your terrace? So I tell most of them you can grow, and today we'll be seeing how to grow and maintain a guava plant, which is almost around 1 to 2 years old. This is a hybrid plant, basically grafted plant, and today we'll see how to maintain it and how does this fruit taste and what are the pesticides I use or which I don't use. So as far as these plants are concerned, this is a plant which can grow to become tree, and these plants, when you put it in pot, it can only grow to a certain extent. That is one myth which people have, that if you put these fruiting plants on your terrace, it will become into a huge tree. It can only grow till how much the roots can grow. Coming to the maintenance part, after 6 months of its potting, so I start to give it nutrients, basically fertilizing it with vermicompost, DAP, NPK and Epsom salt, basically alternatively. I don't use any pesticides as far as my plants are concerned. All I do is use pressurized water to kill all this pest. And come on, let's see how this guava fruit is. So this is the fruit which we just got, and actually as usual it is too good. It gives you immense happiness when you grow food on your terrace and eat it, and this is one of the example for that. Even you can try it, and you can try this at your home and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow Biotechmaali and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much.